What is up, people? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mayur and you're watching The Bearded Geek. So the channel is about to cross 1000 subscribers and I'm super excited about it, and I have decided to go ahead and start uploading videos more frequently. So it's basically, you can expect a lot of random shit. The moment I go ahead and explore or find out a particular trick, hack, a new tool or a newly launched tool, I'm gonna go ahead and create a video and share it on the particular channel. I feel that the best way to pass on the information is not having this flowery effect of editing and just sharing that particular information. So anyway, coming to the topic for today we're going to talk about Buy Me a Coffee, which is called as BMC. Buy Me a Coffee is basically a wonder. Now I was having a perception that Buy Me a Coffee is just a donation website. Well, it is not just a donation website. You can get donations, you can get support, you can get paid for a certain amount of resources, and it is really easy. I came across this particular tool a couple of days back when I just explored more about it, and I really found it cool. So I thought of making a video, and without any further delay, let's get into the video. But in case if you're new to the channel or watching my video for the first time, this channel is all about the lesser known tools and tricks that would help you increase your digital productivity. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon besides that. This way I will be able to reach out to you whenever I upload a new video, and that is going to be quite often. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. So here we are on the mobile screen. This is my BMC page. Before going ahead and learning how can you go ahead and create a page, I just want to show you what are the features that BMC offers. So the first thing to start with, it's going to give you a custom URL. Mine is The Bearded Geek. It will appear as buymeacoffee.com/The Bearded Geek. Apart from that, when a supporter comes on your page, they can choose the amount that they want to go ahead and pay. You can also set up an amount. I have set it up for $5, and they can double it or triple it using over this particular box. They can send a message to you and hit the support button. It will directly get paid. And the best part about the payment is that the moment someone makes a payment, you are eligible to get you're eligible to pay out for that particular amount immediately. You do not have to wait for a particular a period or some slab or something like that. It's just the moment you get a donation, it's in your account. So that's the best part I like about Buy Me a Coffee. Apart from that, it also allows you to go ahead and create a custom banner for you. So you can probably add the timings or the genre or the niche that your channel or your blog has. It will just help your users to understand what exactly are they supposed to expect and when. Apart from that, you can add this regular description and the social handles. Let me just check if I have covered it all. Yeah, so you can actually go ahead and you can go ahead in your account and you can check the number of supporters you have. Currently I do not have any supporter, so if you are that one supporter, make sure you go ahead and check it out, the page, and if you like it, do support me for this particular channel. Apart from that, you can create memberships on a monthly basis or an yearly basis. So when I say membership can be only exclusive posts for your members. It could be videos, it could be some text, it could be some research or something like that. Apart from that, the best part I like about BMC is that this predictable monthly income monitor. It's a calculator basically. It allows you to understand if you offer a membership for 50 members on a monthly basis, how much, and if you set up the minimum cost that they have to pay for $7, for example, you will make an amount of $332 per month. If you set up to the lowest, it's gonna be $142 per month. So this is a really cool feature that I found, and all these features that I'm talking about currently are free. Then there are extras. Extras allow you to create Zoom event tickets, ebooks, one-on-one consultations, art commissions, Instagram close friend access, or exclusive videos. And you can sell them as I said earlier, you can set up a price that you want to go ahead and sell it for. There are posts, there are page settings, nothing. Alright, so let's see how can we go ahead and create a page. This is basically the site. This is the website that you'll come, and it's just gonna take like 2 minutes of your time. The moment you come on the site, just sign up. Now it allows you to sign up through your social network accounts, but I would actually suggest you to go ahead and sign up with an email. It's always better and it's always handy. So I'm gonna go ahead and type my email address over here and the password. Alright, once you enter your desired email and your password, just hit on continue button here. After you hit the continue, it's going to ask you whether you're a creator or you are here to support someone. So I'm going to click on I'm a creator. For this username, as I said, it allows you to create a custom URL. I will just go ahead and add Bearded Geek 002. Oh, you can't add numbers, I'm sorry. Test Bearded Geek is already taken. That is okay. So let's go for Test Geek. Alright, so that's available. Once you decide on the particular URL, just click on continue. I would just suggest that it would be better if you can just make your custom URL as your channel, YouTube channel URL or your blog URL. That would be really better in case if you include the name. Then we are supposed to verify the account. So the account number is 798194. 798194. And just hit on continue. In case if you don't get that email, just ask them to say resend that particular thing. Once you are done with that, now this is the step I won't be able to show you over here because I've already enabled PayPal and Stripe for my original account, but you need to go ahead and set up this. In case if you don't have an account on PayPal or Stripe, it just takes 5 to 10 minutes to create that. You can set up this particular dollar amount and click on next, but I can't go further that. So once you set up all this particular thing, that's it. You can just go ahead and that's basically your BMC page. That's how it's gonna look. Further, you can just go ahead and, as I said, you can go ahead and add your text, your full name, what are you creating. So it could be digital content, you're creating piano music, building whatever, corporates or something like that. Then there is an editing option for your cover picture, for your about me section, for your website section. This is a quirky thing that I figured. It allows you, it's just a quirky way of, asking people, you can either buy me a coffee, you can either buy me a beer, pizza, book. So that's just like a fun way, I thought. Then apart from that, you can also set up the default price that a person should pay you, or in case he's a supporter donating the amount or paying for your extras. Apart from that, it also allows you to go ahead and select the theme for your page. Then there is social sharing option. You can go ahead and connect your Twitter account, and once you go ahead and connect your Twitter account, it's going to allow you to see how your page is going to look. Like for instance, if I go on my account over here, and my page, and I decide to edit the page. So yeah, I have verified my Twitter account over here, and you can go ahead and follow me on Twitter. I'm active on Twitter as well. And then you can go ahead and choose between these two. I can go ahead and either choose this green one or this white one, depending on whenever I share my page, how the interface is going to look. So I think I've covered pretty much everything. That was the trick or tutorial. How can you go ahead and create your BMC page? So that was my tutorial about how can you go ahead and create a BMC page. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button. That way you'll be able to help my channel to reach a broader audience and grow further. In the next video, we'll be learning how can you add a particular resource and start getting paid through BMC. In case if you are one of the supporters, or if you like the content that I create on this particular channel, the link for my BMC account is in the description below. You can go ahead and check it out. That's it about from my end. I'll be back with another tool, trick, tutorial, whatever in the next video. Till then, keep watching my channel and keep geeking, guys.